Hello everyone. This application is all about inventory disable followers. In the inventory module, based on the configuration which we have provided, we can disable the auto followers as a responsible and as a customer for the picking or the delivery order. This is for Odoo 17 version, and now I will show how this application will be working. First, we need to go to the inventory module, configuration, settings. Under the settings, we have a disable auto follower section. Under that, we have two fields, that is stop auto adding responsible as a follower and stop auto adding followers on credit or edit transfer. If we enable this boolean, then based on this particular functionality, it should not add the responsible as a follower on a picking or a delivery order. And if this boolean is ticked, then based on this option, it should not add the customer as a follower on picking or delivery order. Now I will show how this application will be working. First, I have enabled this stop auto adding responsible as follower. We need to save this configuration. Then I will go to the sales module. I will create a new customer. I will be selecting the new customer Gemini Furniture, and I will create a new sale order. I will select one product. I'll confirm this. You will be able to see I'm putting all the information here, and you have an optional product also, and you have a other information also. Once all the information is done, I will confirm this particular sale order and the delivery order will be created. I will be going to the delivery order. Inside the delivery order, in the additional information, I'll be able to see a responsible field. If I provide a responsible as a mark demo, and if I save this particular document, and here in the followers you will be able to see only that particular customer name will be applied, and this responsible field will be a responsible follower will not added here. I'll validate this particular document, and here you can see only the user of this particular document, that is sale order, and this particular customer is followers is added, and this responsible is not added as of for in this particular sale document. Similarly, when we create a purchase order, I'll go to the purchase, I'll click on new. I will create a new purchase order for this particular vendor. I will add a product, and if there is any other information you can add. And in other information you can see you have a buyer, company, everything. All details will be filled, and I will click on save button. I will change this buyer as a mark demo, and I will confirm this particular purchase order. A receipt will be coming up here in this particular order. If I click on this particular receipt, in the additional information, you will be able to see a responsible field. Here also, if I give a mark demo as a responsible and save this particular purchase order document, in this followers, you can see only this particular vendor will be updated and responsible field auto followers will be disabled. I will validate this particular purchase order, that is the delivery order. Then you will be able to see here only the user and this particular vendor will be coming up, and this responsible followers will be disabled based on the configuration which we have done in the inventory module. Once this is done, I will go to the inventory module. I will be changing the configuration from this to this. That is stop auto adding followers on create or edit transfer. So I will save this particular document. I will go to the operation reset. So I will create a new reset as a deco edit, and here I will be adding a product, and I will be adding a demand as 5, and I will save this particular document. And once this is done, the responsible user is Michael admin, and here you can see in the followers only this particular responsible name will be there, and this customer name will be not displayed as an auto follower in this particular sale order document. Once I click on mark as to do, and if I click on validate, then also in this add followers, only this particular responsible name will be applied, and here received from this particular customer will be not coming up here in this receipt order. Similarly, if I go to the operation delivery, if I click on new delivery, I will give a new delivery address as Lumber, and here I will be adding a product, and I will give a demand as 7. I will save this document, and if I click on mark as to do, here you can see only this particular responsible name will be applied in the auto followers, and this vendor will be not applicable for this followers. I will click on mark as to do and I will validate. So once the document is validated also, here you can see only this particular follower, that is the responsible follower will be applied, and this particular vendor will be not displayed in the add followers. So based on the two configuration, we can do the changes that we can disable the auto followers for the responsible and for the customer or the vendor. Similarly, if we want to edit this particular document, if I will give the delivery address as Azure Interior, and if I want to edit this document and I will add another product, and I will give it demand as 9 and I will save this. And if I want to edit something and if I click on mark as to done also, here in the followers you can see only the login user and only the responsible will be applied, and this particular vendor name will be not displayed in this particular delivery order. So based on the configuration which is available in the inventory module, we can auto disable the responsible and the customer for this particular picking and the delivery order. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.